買衫啊買衫啊，5蚊一件，5蚊一件好抵買5蚊耶！
Oh, $50.
Money,
So
money.
cheap. Thank you. What?
哦哦，拜
Thank you.
拜。
Bye.
Yes! That was just $5, not 50. Learn your numbers and save some money when you're in Hong Kong. The good news is that Chinese numerals are actually really easy to learn. You just need to know these 10 words to be able to count from 1 to 99. Here they go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's try again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Those are all the words you need to know to count from 1 to 99. The rest is a combination of the numbers. For example, 11 is 11, 10 1, 12 12, 10 2, 13 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20 is 20. What do you think 30 is then? 30, 30. And 40? 40. 41? 41. 57? 57. Following that logic, what is 99? 99. Congratulations! With some more practice, you'll count from 1 to 99 and save some money.